Five Animals application last part of the form. Where up to this part, after the shoulder barge, have this round step, strike, 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 and then finish. The first part is a round step. I'm stepping around him. Check from here. For example, a strike comes going to the side. So this, then the form it goes boom, boom. So I have defense, one strike here, another strike coming in. It's like a double kind of chopping kind of strikes. Can also be used as a kind of like a takedown. This one, first one hits a defense. Take that one and strike him down. From here it continues in the form into this one. It can be combined with the previous one, or it can be a own thing. So there might be a punch coming in, defense, first one here and in. In the form it goes a little bit backwards. This is the idea of making a bit space and striking, then in. The form it also continues into this one. There's a rooster technique in Xingyi. The rooster shakes its feathers. It's kind of, there's a strike like here, strike here. Can also be an elbow. There's like a double thing here and here. The final part, the finishing after the rooster, in with the hands and back. That's also one type of chinna, this kind of pulling in. So there's this idea of in and then finish. A little bit of bonus thing there at the end. Okay.